What's up, guys? I'm Hunter here with RJ's Amazing Entertainment. Today I'm going to be twisting a dinosaur balloon. What's cool about this balloon, it also acts as a Yoshi balloon, so if you have a kid asking for that, it's super easy. I'm first going to take a 260, I'm going to do green this time, blow it up 4-5 times. You have a good hand's tail. And then do a 4 finger bubble, and then pull it down and twist the balloon into that. And then I'm going to do a 1-inch little bubble, and then pinch twist that. Make sure the face is facing up for the mouth. And then you're going to come down, do another 4-inch twist, a 3-finger twist, and then twist that also into the balloon. So you have the arms and the neck. You're then gonna come out and do a 4-inch bubble, or a 4-inch twist, and then fold the balloon back and twist it into the other balloon. This is where you're gonna start the stomach. Then I'm gonna give it a little squeeze, push the air into the balloon. Then you're gonna twist a little bit bigger than the other 2 twists, twist it off, and then push it through the middle. Have a stomach on it. If you have room, I also do a little pinch twist here, so a little bubble, and then pinch twist it so the tail is up. You're then going to take another 260. I'll do that about 2 times, 2 full pumps. You have a pretty big tail on it, about hand and 2 fingers. You're going to do a small 1-inch bubble, then a 2-finger bubble as well. Pull it back. Twist it into that, so you have a little foot. You're then going to come up to another 4-inch bubble, and then a little bubble, one finger, pull those down, do a pinch twist. You have the leg and the knee. You're then going to take your body of the dinosaur, pull this stomach up a little bit, and pull the leg through. You're then going to do the same thing on this side, but just reverse. So a little bubble, pinch twist that together for the knee, a 4-inch twist, and then 2 fingers. Twist that together as well, and then just a 1-inch twist. Pop this off if you have one of those fingers. Tie it off. Normally for big festivals or big events, I'll only do this for just this right here for the dinosaur. But if it's a specialty party or a birthday party, I'll go ahead and make spikes, eyes, and teeth. For the spikes, what you're going to do is pick their next favorite color. I'm going to do blue for this. And just do it 1 pump. Nice and easy. Then tie it off. Tie it off. And then take the knot and twist it into the neck. Make sure you hide the mechanics. You don't want it to look goofy because there's a little knot hanging out. You're then going to do 3 2-inch bubbles, and then twist it into the tail. And then you're just going to come up, pop it off, and then twist the excess all the way around a couple of times and into the tail as well. Now the best part of the balloon, what really makes it adorable, is the mouth and the teeth. You're first going to take a 260 balloon, pump it up 1 time, easy. Trust this, the little knot you're going to tie, twist into the pinch twist. You're then going to do 3 really small bubbles. Make sure they're super small so they look like teeth. You're then going to take it and push it through. Super easy. I got teeth on one side. Finish it on the other. And that's. Finish it on the other side. Super easy. 3 super small not pinch twist bubbles. Twist the head around a couple of times. And then, so you're not wasting another, you're going to do 2 2 finger bubbles. Get those around. And then just pop the excess off. And twist the little tail around the head a couple of times. Head mechanics. And there, you've got a dinosaur. Then you're gonna just draw little eyeballs. Big eyeballs, make it cute. Not scary. Big eyeballs. I'm not the greatest artist, but the bigger they are, the better they are. And then just 2 little nostrils. And there you have the dinosaur balloon or the Yoshi. 5-inch round.
Just start over.
Oops. Be double candy, there's no need for that. And
Keep going.
alright. That popped. It all popped. We're just gonna redo it.
It all pops?
It all popped. Alright, let's try this again. You're gonna take a white 260 for the eyeballs and the teeth. You're gonna come up, just pump it up 1 time. And then take the little knot, twist it into the little connection right here, with the pinch twist. On one side, you're gonna just do 3 little teeth. Unless it pops, but you just have to roll with the punches. Do that again. Whoops.